So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So for today, let's for today I'll teach you how to create your own personality. Yeah, for your Miniper 1024. So for today example, I'll use my warm and white bar. Yeah, you need the user manual. So because we need to see their functions, I'll use this 8 channel and the 8 channel. So on your laptop, what you need is this personality builder. Yeah, you need your personality builder. So let's just open it, and here you can see it has dimmer, iris, tilt, color, zoom, gobo, and any other stuff. Yeah, so here on your user manual, here you can see the channel 1, then the function and the description. So for example, with the dimmer, so the dimmer is channel 1. So let's just press the dimmer. Yeah, and this here over here with DMX, and just make it 1. Yeah, like that. Then next is channel 2, the white dimmer. So for me, I'll put the channel 2 over here. So you can name it. Yeah, you can name, for example, the channel 2 is white 1 dimmer. So I'll just put the name over here and just type white 1. So there, the name for the channel 2, and we need to put the channel 2. Yeah, so next is channel 2, and the next is the warm white, so it's channel 3. For example, I will put it here and rename warm 1, and we put the DMX channel, so it's 3. So yeah, the next is channel 4 is white. Okay, so I'll put it here, just press on the blue thing. Yeah, and we name it white 2, and then here we make a channel 4 because it says channel 4 for white dimmer, white 2 dimmer. Yeah, and next is channel 5, so the 5 is warm white 2. Okay, so I'll choose here and warm white 2, white warm 2, and we put the DMX channel, and it is warm white, it's 5. So channel DMX channel 5. Yeah, and the 6 with the strobe, channel 6. So let's just put the strobe. Yeah, you need to put it on the shutter. There, some channel has their own names already. Yeah, but you can rename it. Like here, you can rename it, put something else like strobe. For example, strobe. There, and the channel 6 for strobe. For channel 6 is the strobe. So we make it DMX to 6, and there's a function. So let's just go to the function, click, and make that DMX channel. So 7. Yeah, the DMX channel is 7. Yeah, it's 7. And next is the speed. So let's just put the speed, press the speed, and put the DMX channel. It's 8. Why 8? Because here channel 8 is speed. Yeah. And after that you can name the fixture. So it's over here. For example, I'll put it I'll rename it for I. It's a cob. Yeah, it's a cob. So I'll just put the name for for information here on the fixture name. You cannot put space or something, so I just put underline, because the space it won't read on your console. So yeah, for I cool. For example, there I finished naming it, and we already put the channel, the name, the channel. Yeah, so now over here we just press save as, so we can save the our own personality. So save as, and it will, and you can put it where you want it. So for me, I'll just put it on my desktop. Oh my desktop, file name R20, and just save it there. Now we're done, and here you just find where, okay, it is here, the 4i here. 4i, yes, this is a winner. You can open it on personality if you want to open that. So if you want to open this your personality, just go to our personality builder and press load, and let's choose the personality we want to open, and open. Then here it is, what we done earlier. Okay, so if you want to put it on your console, what you need is a USB drive. Yeah, just copy it in your USB, then you insert your USB drive to your console, and yeah, add it. Then there you go. We just created our own personality for Miniper 1024. That's all, and thank you.